Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia and I am a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with SilynthiaBudgets and blogs. I'll link our shop as well as our freebie down below so you can grab it if you'd like. Yes, I'm back again. I am back again. Okay, so I won't even go into explaining again how this works. If you want to know what's happening with my finances and all of that, binge watch a couple videos. Trust me, it's totally worth it. The ups and downs and the explanation is pretty simple in terms of how I'm managing my money. But I decided today I was going to take this $23 and stuff it into my SilynthiaBudget creation savings challenges because I want to get through some of them so that way I can get my sinking funds stuffed. I don't know when it's going to happen. I've only finished one savings challenge since the last time I stuffed my binder. So I'm doing very well in terms of my savings challenges, but they're not being completed as quickly as they were before. And that's okay, mostly because the amounts are higher. I still have my freebies, which I did put some money aside for Freebie Friday tomorrow. So come back tomorrow so we can work on this binder because this one's a little light over there. So we need to make change. And you know the drill by now. We're going to speed through this in hopes of finding some change, which I think the last time we counted yesterday, one of them had 20. Let's see. Okay. That was a lot more complicated than I thought it was going to be. I think we are going to throw a $5 bill in here as a spicy. We have a $2 bill as well. But when we get some change, we're going to go ahead and swap out that $5 bill. So I'm just going to set it here. And we're going to be doing our savings challenges like we were before. Rolling the dice and seeing where this money is going to go. I do have, this one needs 2 rolls. This one needs $7. This one needs 5. This one needs 6. Okay, so I don't know if we're going to finish any today, but that's okay. Not worried about finishing them today, but getting them done at some point, right? That's what we're working on. We're just going to grab 2 bills and get going. 4. 4. 4 is complete. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. So number 4 is finished. Number 4 is finished. Number 3. Okay. Number 4. My dice is favoring 4. 6. 6. Okay, 6. 5. 6. Okay. Okay, so that did not go as I was thinking it would, or maybe deep down hoping it would, but that's okay. Number 1, which is our Christmas savings challenge, it's a monthly savings. I've been doing it as roll and save, has $17, and we're not adding anything there. My spa savings challenge has $5, $10, $15, $16. All right, February savings challenge. This one is another monthly, but no theme. Also comes in a scratch off option. It's getting $3. And I know we need 9, and I don't think we've made it to 9. Nope, we only have 2 there. So let's see, in total we have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. 19, 20, 21, 22, $23. So we need 2, 3, 4, 5. We need 4 more bucks. Because I did play the bonus on this savings challenge. Alright, we got $5 going into our tattoo savings challenge, giving us a total of 15 bucks, which then completes the savings challenge, which I just put in a couple days ago. But that's okay. I like the progress. I like seeing the wins. Alright, so we got $2 going into our werewolf savings challenge, and each of these the paw prints are, each of the paw prints are worth $2, so we'll go ahead and add 2 there. Guess I grabbed a different orange. That's okay. And I've been working on adding $1 to this dollar so I can get $2, but now we have 20, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27. Very, very close on this one. Alright, so we rolled this one a few times, but let's see what we've got. Wow. Alright, so this savings challenge we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, $13. So we're going to scratch off 3 numbers here. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. And let's count up in total how much we have. This savings challenge it's blowing me away. Because it's saving so much money. And I'm actually just rolling it 26 times, sometimes more. I think yesterday or the day before, whichever day, the last time I put money in this one, I rolled it 2 or 3 times or something, and I just put it as one roll because it wasn't a lot of money. And that's up to me. It's up to the saver. How do you want to play this game? Make up the rules as you go. Figure it out. Whatever you feel like today works for me. That's kind of what the savings challenge is. 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Crazy. 62, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, $71. Ah, $71. That's crazy to me. I was thinking about pulling this money out and putting it with my completed savings challenges and doing a cash stuffing and just leaving this in here, the tracker, and continuing on. But I'm going to try to push through. I'm going to focus on getting the rest of these completed before I take that tracker out of there. That's my plan. Okay, so we've gone ahead and stuffed our savings challenges. Like I said, our shop will be linked down below, and you can grab any of these savings challenges if you like. Also be on the lookout for the freebies. Freebies. We're trying to do more freebies this year. We had a lot going on last year, and we were like, how are we going to make time for freebies? But now we've got a little system going. It seems like it is worthwhile to make it happen. So be on the lookout for those. We did complete one savings challenge today, you guys. 15 bucks going into my completed savings challenges so I can do a sinking funds cash stuffing. Hopefully, I'm hoping next week sometime. Right? Fingers crossed. See? I want to get some of these savings challenges completed and get these sinking funds stuffed. It's so much more fun having money to enjoy your life with. But that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.